little bit more keto food on the road. Bloody beautiful downtown Bangkok. Cheers. Have a look at this for a keto meal. Eggs, roast pork and assorted vegetables. Some of the veggies aren't keto, like the small corns and that, and the sauce that's on it would be a bit sus, but the rest is great. G'day guys, how you going? The girls just went and got me a nice cup of coffee, but there's a thing you got to learn in where I am here in my part of Thailand. This is my cup of coffee. This is the Americano. I don't know how the coffee tops would handle that. This is the Americano. That's the Americano there. That's the Americano. Now, not a long black. That's probably different. This is Americano. So I've got to put that into the cup, and then because of this keto business, I've got this. I managed to find this cream I found at the Robinson supermarket. Whipping cream, Anchor brand, long life. It was the last box on the shelf, so I may have to search more. It's hard to find, even at the Tesco's don't have any cream. But anyway, that's good. Okay, so here's I have to get the rubber band off. Where is my camera? There, you got the little rubber band thing. That's just a lock-proof rubber band. Almost impossible for a tourist to get off. Okay, now I enjoy my cup of coffee. See ya. The girls just brought out a plate for me. They said, "This is your tea." They're a bit amused about my keto eating. They said, "This is your tea," and I sat that in front of me there. A pot of raw cabbage. A pot of raw cabbage for tea, mate. That's what you get.
Sorry for everybody, but no chicken curry left.
This is what happens when you run out of money. You got to eat at home. Look what we got here.
Oh, Nikki!
Oh, here's Nikki. Hello, Nikki. I'm filming you. How are you? Good. Oh, you can smell the food. You've come to eat. Have a good day at work. Good. Here come Pom with some more soup, I think. Pom, Brian, Nikki, me of course, Polly, and two ladies cooking in the kitchen. And okay, yeah. Pom. Jen what? Jen. What you? Oh, don't know. And there's some puppies. Puppies having some food too. They're eating their beautiful evening meal. Hey, they're growing up so much. There you go. She's the most beautiful dog in the world. Oh, beautiful dog. Soy dog. She's our soy dog. Living inside now, that's different. Little boy next door come out to water some plants. That's where we eat our breakfast next door here. It's my little home community. It's fantastic.